Hello, I'm Travel Partner Official, your guide to the world's most delightful destinations. And today we're diving into the charming canals of Amsterdam. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell. Amsterdam, with its intricate network of canals, offers a unique perspective best experienced from the water. From romantic candlelit cruises to hop-on hop-off explorations, there's a canal cruise for everyone. Join me as we navigate through the top 10 canal cruise companies in Amsterdam, each offering its own charm and perspective. Let's set sail! Our journey begins with the Blue Boat Company, a true Amsterdam institution. For over 35 years, their iconic blue and white boats have been a familiar sight on the canals. What sets Blue Boat apart is their dedication to providing a comprehensive and informative experience. Knowledgeable guides, available in multiple languages, provide commentary on the passing landmarks, weaving tales of Amsterdam's rich history and culture. As you glide along the canals, you'll encounter architectural gems from the Dutch Golden Age, charming houseboats adorned with flower boxes, and picturesque bridges reflecting in the water. The Blue Boat Company offers a variety of cruises, including daytime, sunset, and evening options. Their evening cruises, in particular, are a treat as the city lights twinkle, casting a magical glow upon the canals. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned Amsterdam aficionado, a Blue Boat cruise is a wonderful way to experience the heart and soul of this captivating city. Next, we set sail with Lovers Canal Cruises, a company known for its intimate and romantic ambiance. As the name suggests, this is a perfect choice for couples seeking a special experience. Lovers Canal Cruises offers a range of options, from open-air boats perfect for sunny days to luxurious glass-enclosed saloon boats ideal for cooler evenings. Their cruises often include special touches like cozy blankets, candlelight, and the option to add on extras like wine and cheese platters. One of their most popular cruises is the evening cruise with pizza and drinks. Imagine indulging in delicious pizza and refreshing beverages as you witness the city lights illuminate the canals. Whether you're celebrating an anniversary, popping the question, or simply seeking a romantic escape, Lovers Canal Cruises provides the perfect setting for a memorable time on the water. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel inspiration and insider tips. Now, let's hop aboard Stroma Netherlands, a company that offers a diverse range of canal cruises and water activities. Stroma is a great option for those who want to tailor their experience, with a variety of routes, durations, and themes to choose from. From classic canal cruises exploring the historic city center to themed cruises focusing on art, architecture, or even beer, Stroma has something for everyone. One of Stroma's standout features is their fleet of environmentally friendly boats, many of which are electric or hybrid powered. This commitment to sustainability allows you to enjoy the beauty of the canals while minimizing your impact on the environment. Stroma also offers combination tickets that bundle your canal cruise with other attractions, such as the Heineken Experience or the Rijksmuseum. This is a great way to save money and maximize your time in Amsterdam. Get ready to embark on a unique canal adventure with Amsterdam Circle Line, a company that offers a distinctive circular route around the city center. Their cruises depart from and return to the same location, allowing you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the ever-changing scenery. The circular route takes you past many of Amsterdam's iconic landmarks, including the Anne Frank House, the Westerkerk, and the Skinny Bridge. Amsterdam Circle Line offers a variety of cruises, from daytime cruises with live commentary to evening cruises with atmospheric lighting. They also offer special themed cruises, such as pizza cruises, burger cruises, and even cocktail cruises. Their boats are smaller and more intimate than some of the larger companies, allowing for a more personalized experience. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to discover more hidden gems and travel secrets. Prepare to indulge in a luxurious canal experience with Flagship Amsterdam, a company known for its elegant boats and exceptional service. If you're looking for a truly special and sophisticated way to experience the canals, Flagship Amsterdam is an excellent choice. Their fleet consists of beautifully restored classic saloon boats, each with its own unique character and charm. Flagship Amsterdam offers a range of cruises, from private charters ideal for special occasions to smaller group cruises perfect for a more intimate experience. They also offer a variety of catering options, allowing you to customize your cruise with delicious food and drinks. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel inspiration and exclusive content. Get ready for a fun and informative Canal cruise experience with Those Damn Boat Guys, a company known for their entertaining guides and relaxed atmosphere. This is a great option for travelers looking for a more laid-back and interactive experience. Those Damn Boat Guys offer small group cruises on open boats, allowing for a more personal and engaging experience. Their guides are known for their witty commentary, sharing stories about Amsterdam's history, culture, and quirky characters. Their boats are electric-powered, ensuring a quiet and environmentally friendly ride. They also offer a variety of drinks on board, with a portion of the proceeds going towards local charities. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel recommendations and insider tips. Step back in time and experience the canals as they were meant to be sailed with Rederij Coage, a company that offers traditional sailing cruises on historic boats. This is a unique and authentic way to experience the beauty of Amsterdam's waterways. Rederij Coage's fleet consists of beautifully maintained classic sailing boats, some of which date back over a century. These boats offer a glimpse into Amsterdam's maritime heritage and provide a truly special way to explore the canals. Their cruises typically last about an hour and a half, allowing ample time to soak in the sights and sounds of the canals. You can choose from open-air seating on deck or cozy up inside the cabin, depending on the weather. Rederij Coage also offers private charters, making it a perfect option for special occasions or small group outings. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel inspiration and hidden gems. Embark on a journey through the heart of Amsterdam with Classic Canal Cruises, a company that offers a quintessential canal experience. As their name suggests, they focus on showcasing the classic beauty and charm of Amsterdam's canals. Their cruises typically follow a route that takes you past many of the city's most iconic landmarks, including the Anne Frank House, the Westerkerk, and the Majer Brug, also known as the Skinny Bridge. Classic Canal Cruises offers a variety of options, from daytime cruises with live commentary to evening cruises with atmospheric lighting. They also offer private charters, making it a great option for special occasions or groups. Their boats are comfortable and well-maintained, with both indoor and outdoor seating options. The guides are knowledgeable and friendly, providing insights into Amsterdam's history, culture, and architecture. Experience the canals like a local with Friendship Amsterdam, a company that offers personalized canal cruises on small, intimate boats. This is a great option for travelers looking for a more authentic and off-the-beaten-path experience. Friendship Amsterdam's cruises are led by local skippers who are passionate about sharing their love of Amsterdam with visitors. They'll take you through hidden canals, share stories about the city's history and culture, and offer insider tips on the best places to eat, drink, and explore. Their boats are small and open, allowing you to get up close and personal with the canals. You can even bring your own drinks and snacks on board, making it a fun and affordable way to spend an afternoon or evening. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel inspiration and local insights. Glide through the canals with a clear conscience with Pure Boats, a company committed to sustainable and environmentally friendly cruising. Their electric boats offer a silent and emission-free way to experience the beauty of Amsterdam's waterways. Pure Boats' fleet consists of sleek and modern electric boats designed to minimize their impact on the environment. The boats are powered by solar panels and batteries, ensuring a quiet and peaceful ride. They offer a variety of cruises, from classic canal tours to private charters. Their cruises typically last about an hour, providing ample time to soak in the sights and sounds of the canals without the noise and fumes of traditional boats. Pure Boats is also committed to giving back to the community. By choosing Pure Boats, you can enjoy a wonderful canal cruise experience while supporting a company that cares about the environment. Well, there you have it. 10 fantastic ways to experience the magic of Amsterdam's canals. From intimate romantic cruises to fun-filled group outings, there's a canal experience for every traveler. Remember, half the fun of travel is embracing the unexpected, getting delightfully lost, and discovering the heart of a place. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to create lasting memories. And until next time, happy travels!